Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will take a closer look at the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the portable washing machine. Both products are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them ideal for small living spaces like apartments and dorms. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and see how they stack up against each other in terms of performance and value for money. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY Twin Tub stands out with a total capacity of 26 pounds, which includes an 18 pounds washing tub and an 8 pound spinning tub. This makes it a great option for larger loads of laundry. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers a smaller capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for lighter loads, such as baby clothes and small items. If you often wash larger quantities, the COSTWAY might be the better choice. The design of these two machines varies significantly. The COSTWAY features a twin tub design, allowing you to wash and spin clothes simultaneously, which can save you time. On the other hand, the portable washing machine boasts a foldable design, making it extremely portable and easy to store when not in use. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with limited space. Price is another important factor to consider. The COSTWAY Twin Tub is priced at $189, reflecting its larger capacity and dual tub functionality. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine is much more budget-friendly at $69, making it an attractive option for those looking for a compact washing solution without breaking the bank. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, one may be more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the portable washing machine offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you require a larger capacity and the ability to wash and spin simultaneously, the COSTWAY is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for something more affordable and portable, the portable washing machine could be the perfect fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like